This is version 5. And I think we're on to something. Okay. Nice and smooth. Let's zoom out. This thing moves nice and smooth. Now it's got a little grease on it, so it should not. I can't just flip it down the track with the gears having a little bit of grease on there, but it is very smooth. All the gears are meshing. This time I went ahead and put some tape on the side so the axles for the gears won't slip out. But I think we got something. Now this one just so happens to be roughly the same height. Oops, roughly the same height as the Athearn truck right next to it. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. For this particular design, I went ahead and made it taller. So this thing can get a cover on the top. I can also put a cover on the bottom now. Instead of using 2 screws, we now have 4. Up here is a spot to mount a worm gear. So now we got to figure out a way. Need to make something to hold the worm gear. And once we've got that, we can go ahead and try 2 of them on the frame and see how they run. Right now we're looking good. Took 5 versions to get here. That's way less than I expected. But we have yet to test the copper. We have not yet tested the copper that we're going to be using so we can get power. But otherwise, we now have a design that things are meshing, and we have it saved as a template. And this one is also can be extended. Could have another axle on here, and I would have a replacement truck for a DD40. We can also eliminate an axle, and we've got a nice 2-axle truck. So that's where we're at. Good shape.